to use this neat management report tool, which gives us that nice quick management report. I won't go into it in detail here because we saw it in the balance sheet side of things. But once you have your report set up, I might take my company overview. I might want to copy it, so I always have the original, format there. So I'm going to copy it over, and then I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit it. And so you've got your title page. You can add your logo. You can call it management report or something else. You can change the title page to something other than that one. You have a subtitle. So you've got a nice little intro. You can put your name here. And then on the second page, we can include a table of contents, which typically we would want to do. And that's just going to be our reports mainly in the table of contents thus far. You've got your intro page, might be the intro. And then you can give your blurb. Here's the month-end report, month-end reports, blah, blah, blah. Below, you can add your detail there, which is nice. And then we could go to the actual reports. Now, by default, they pull in a profit and loss report. Now, we looked at the balance sheet reports the last time, so I don't want the default profit and loss. I want the ones that I've just customized. So I'm going to say remove this one, add the ones that we put in there. We put in there the summary income statement. So I've got a summary income statement, and then I had the number 6 report, and then I'm going to add another one, and then I've got my number 7. So now I can put those in there. Now I need to change the name so it doesn't show up with this title. So I'm going to edit this one, and then what I want in there is just summary income statement. I think that'll work. Let's save it. And on this one, I'm going to edit this one. I don't want the number in there on the title. Do not want the number on the title. And then this one, do not want the number on the title. And then the next page we have is an end note. So we can say in conclusion, end, and we can say thank you, or our conclusion page. So it's a nice little neat report. We can save it. We can check it out. Let's print it to check it out. And here's what it looks like. So now you can get all this stuff on one page. You get a title page, and you get your table of contents, and you get another intro page where you can give you a little blurb about the reports that you're going to have down below. And then you've got your balance sheet, which we did last and prior section. So that's not a custom one. That's just the standard balance sheet. And then your income statement. So now you got your summary income statement, but it's custom now. And they've got this formatting that fits in here. We got the income statement by quarter. So, and then we included our comparative income statement, and then our conclusion page. So it's a nice little report. You know, you've got a decent amount of flexibility to get everything on one page and add a nice little title page. So we've got that option. Next time we'll export them to Excel, and we'll use Excel to create a PDF with all of them on one report. And note that if you get really fancy, then you would probably be exporting them to Excel and possibly using Excel and Word to kind of integrate so that you can get a more complex and varied level of report. So then you can do more customization and whatnot within your reports that way, and you can change things in Excel if you want different formatting in Excel, for example, although it gets a little bit more tedious to do because there are more, you'd have to do that change every time as opposed to just kind of generating the automatic reports from QuickBooks.